Then guys, welcome to another episode. So I just posted a picture on YouTube. I went to the junkyard this morning and I get the new headlights for the giveaway. So I'm gonna put the episode so I talk about the giveaway and it's gonna tell you everything that you need to do in order for you to get the new headlights. And we have a new product review. This episode is not sponsored. I pay for this with my own money, but I have a new product and I'm gonna start working on the Accord and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do and hopefully this works. There is some ups and downs, like everything, nothing is perfect, but this one, if you have a compressor, this is gonna make the job so much easier. Before summertime, I wanna do a brake flush, so I'm gonna remove all the brake fluid from the Accord once again because I like to do this once a year. But on this case, when I use this Pentocene Super Dot 4, replacing the one that I have, which is the brake fluid from Honda. I used to use this Dot 3, but because summer is coming, it's gonna be hot, I'm gonna do a lot of hard braking this coming season because I wanna test my brakes, which you guys know I have 4-piston calipers, and I wanna test them with new pads. And I know it's braking really good right now because of the 4-piston, but it's not braking that well because I have cheap pads. So I'm gonna put some better pads on it. It's not gonna be racing pads, it's gonna be something in the middle, like full ceramic. And I know that my brakes make a lot of noise when it's cold, when I'm braking, and that's because I have cheap pads. But I wanna upgrade, get better pads, and we change into this one, to Pentocene Super Dot 4. And I know that everything's gonna be good on the system, but like I said, I'm doing this to my vehicle. If you don't feel comfortable changing from Honda, if you're using Honda, to some other product, don't do it. I'm doing it to my car. You don't have to do this, but I'm gonna do it anyways. And on this one, on the brake fluid from Honda, the boiling point is 284 Fahrenheit. So that's the boiling point for the Dot 3 from Honda. We switching to this one, and this one is a lot better. The boiling point on this one is 509 degrees Fahrenheit. But in this case, I don't want to use my power bleeder. I get something else because I want to try this. It's convenient to have the power bleeder, and that episode has been doing awesome. Thank you guys. I'm gonna put that episode when I did the review on my power bleeder. I'm gonna put it right here. That episode was really good. It's doing really great. Thanks guys. But sometimes it's not convenient for one thing. You have to have different caps. Honda has a bigger cap on the brake reservoir than some other vehicles. So sometimes it's really hard to put the cap on it. That's why I want to go a different route this time. So I get this through Amazon. Not really cheap, not really expensive. I could go to Harbor Freight and get the one from Harbor Freight, but I choose not to because on this one the bottle to refill is a little bit different. If you notice on this one, you can unscrew this part, put it on the brake reservoir, open it up, and then you're gonna be able to put the fluid in your brake reservoir. In this case, it's not a big deal. That's why I choose not to go to Harbor Freight because, I mean, to be honest, it's not a big deal. On some vehicles, the brake reservoir is all the way in. You're not able to put the bottle in the brake reservoir because sometimes the firewall is on the way. In my Accord, I don't see that I'm gonna have a lot of problems. If I had to remove my strut bar, probably I'm gonna have to do it. I don't think so. I'm gonna try to put that bottle right there, see if it works. The downside on this one is that obviously you need a compressor, you need air to hook the air right here to be able to bleed the brakes. So we have the cap and the little filter out of the brake reservoir. Okay guys, so that's the little pancake right there. Everything is hooked up. Everything seems to work pretty good. So we're kind of ready. I haven't put the bottle on the brake reservoir. I'm just gonna remove some oil fluid just to see how it works. Okay, so I think this wrench is too thick. I'm gonna have to crack it loose, open it, because I don't see it removing a lot of brake fluid. So let me change the setup. Okay guys, I don't see it pulling a lot of fluid. It's pulling just little by little. You can see right here we have some fluid. It's taking too much time. I don't know if we need a bigger compressor, but that one is doing the job. So I think it's pulling more with my power bleeder than with this one. But like I said, maybe it's because of the compressor. Okay, setup is ready. Now let's start removing fluid. Okay guys, so we collecting very little fluid. It's not pulling the way it's supposed to. You can see right there, really little. So I'm gonna go ahead, put the tire. I'm gonna go to the shop. I'm gonna use the big compressor from this shop, and we're gonna see the difference, see if this works, because doing this is gonna take me forever. It's not pulling enough fluid. It's just doing little by little. So this setup is not working. Look at that setup. Big brakes. This thing looks massive. They look beautiful. So like I said, a new setup is coming, new pads. So on the front with this Acura RL calipers, you don't need the 10, you need 8mm wrench. Okay guys, so just to prove my point, I came here to the shop. I had the air hose connected. I know there is more pressure in here. I knew it wasn't gonna change anything, so I don't have a good seal. I put some grease in here, but it doesn't seal. I think the problem is right here. If you can see how short this valve is, it's just little brake fluid coming out, so seal in here is not right. So even with grease, I don't think I have enough room to put a zip tight in there. And the product, I thought it was gonna be good, but it's not doing its job. I even tried with this one from my other pump, the manual pump, but it didn't work either. So I tried different methods. It didn't work. So I'm gonna leave it like that. It's gonna take me forever just to replace all the fluid. And like I said before, my power bleeder is doing an amazing job. I tried to get this to do it quicker and easier. I thought I was gonna do it easier with this one, but it didn't work. I'm not gonna put this product on my links, so just because I don't want you to go through this. But like I said, this is my car, this is my experience. It didn't work well for me, so now that I opened the bottle, I don't want to just let that brake fluid sit it in there. I'm gonna have to bring my power bleeder and do that, bleed all the system with my power bleeder. So that's why I don't even want to try to keep doing with this. I already tried for the last 30 minutes. Didn't work. It didn't work with this one. But anyways, it is what it is. So that's why I review these products, so you don't have to go through this. But I hope you like it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.